She's like one of those creamsicles.
You don't like those, but you would eat me? It's your girl Tatiana.
It's your boy Matt.
And today we're back with another video. Before we get this video started, you guys, make sure you go subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and smash that like button. And definitely make sure you guys go turn on the post notifications, which is the little bell right next to the subscribe button, so you can be notified every single time we upload a new video. So today, you guys, I'm going to be doing a Shein haul, as you already know from the title of this video. But I'm going to be having my husband rate my outfits. This is the first video that we've ever done like this. This is the first time he's ever rated my outfits, period, that I've ever ordered. So this should be fun. But before we get fully into the video, you guys, you know we gotta hit you with the verse of the day.
So the verse of the day comes from Psalm 59, verse 16. But I will sing of your strength. I will sing aloud of your steadfast love in the morning. You have been to me a fortress and a refuge in the day of my distress.
That's a really good verse. So basically, I feel like that just means that you'll praise God because He's always been there for you. And all the times that He's needed you. So, and that you've needed Him. He's always been there in all the times that you've needed Him. So God's amazing and gets to do this in your life. But anyways, guys, like I said, I'm going to be doing this Shein haul. This outfit, though, you guys, because I know I'm probably going to get some of you asking me, where'd you get that outfit from? It's not from Shein. It's actually called Motherhood, and I wanted to make sure that I actually told you guys exactly where you can get it from. So you can follow her on Instagram and TikTok at motherhood_. And yeah, you guys go follow her. Her name is Brittany. She's super cool, you guys. And yeah, this is one of the outfits that she sent to me. I think it's really cute and comfortable. It's like this little bralette set. Talk about branding. Okay, motherhood everywhere. Motherhood is the best hood. So shout out to all the mommies, okay, in the world. Motherhood's the best hood. And you can, I don't know what just fell. I think my phone just fell. You can adjust the straps too. That's one of the things that I really like, because for us moms who don't really have, you know, the boobs that sit up high, you know what I'm saying, like they used to before the kids, or the fake ones. Yeah, you can adjust it and have them sit however you want to. So this is a really cute set. Go ahead and shop motherhood.com. Go follow on Instagram and on TikTok, and let her know that Tatiana sent you, okay? And if you're watching this video and you saw it from this video, let her know that you saw it from the Trejo family, okay? So anyway, y'all, let's go ahead and get into this haul. Alright guys, so this is outfit number one. It is called the solid crop top and not front shorts. So it's a cute little around the house. And by the way, I didn't mention this in the beginning, but I'm going to be showing comfortable around the house, stay at home mommy outfits, or just going to run errands. Like, this is just a cute and simple little at home or errand type of haul. Let me know if you guys like this and if you want me to do more hauls coming up in the summertime, which is now, or in the fall and winter and all that kind of stuff. And I will do that if you guys like this. But yeah, this is a large. I'm wearing a large set just because I still have a few pounds that I want to lose from baby. But yeah, what do you think about this outfit?
I like it. She's like one of those creamsicles. Ice creams.
A creamsicle. I do not like those. Those are nasty to me. You don't like them either? You don't like those, but you would eat me? Okay, you guys, so yeah, this is outfit number one. Let me know in the comments how you guys like this outfit. We got Babe's opinion, which is the only one that matters the most. But still, I want to know what you guys think about it, so let me know what you guys think about number one. But let's go ahead and do outfit number two. So this is outfit number two. I really like this outfit.
Like
it
the
is
color.
a large. Yeah, me too. I love the color. It's called one shoulder top with drawstring waist. So you can literally tighten it up, make it as like loose or as tight as you want it to. And then obviously you guys see like the one shoulder.
Yeah.
The back.
Gives me
is
Barbie
out.
feels.
Barbie, yes. I'm a Barbie girl. Yeah, I really like this. This is really cute. So like I said, this is a large. Oh, and then I'm gonna be telling you guys the prices also. The orange one, I didn't tell you guys the price of that one, but the orange one was $10.39 for that set, you guys. That was so freaking good. And then this hot pink set is $12.12. Super cute. Like I feel like you can wear this all types of different places, like the grocery store, like a quick Target run. Like you can chill around the house and do TikToks in this. And it has pockets. You can put your phone in it, put your keys in it. So yeah, this is really cute. Babe, what do you rate this one?
1 through 10, I'll give that. Because it's the one strap missing, I'll give it 9.
A 9 because the one strap is missing.
Yeah, I'm a
It's
2 strap.
supposed to be
I
missing.
know, but I'm a 2 strap person.
Normally I would
That's
say
a
2
preference.
straps too, but like look how much support it's giving me. Like, you know, like if the girls aren't going anywhere, you know.
2 straps for preference. So it's going with preference.
Okay, well he says 9, but let me know in the comments what you guys think about this one. Time for outfit number 3.
3.
Alright guys, so this is outfit number 3. This is a large. It is called the lime green wrenched tie front solid bodycon dress. I would not wear this around the house, like unless I was like filming for like a campaign or something like that.
Brunch outfit.
Yeah, that was literally gonna say that. This is more of like a brunch outfit. Yeah, I like this. Like it's cute, but it's just not an at-home outfit. So yeah. But what do you give this outfit?
I'll give it a 10.
Sorry guys, baby girl woke up, so obviously we had to go and grab her, make sure she was situated. But yeah, so what did you rate this one, babe?
Give that a 10.
A 10.
Nice 10.
Yeah, it's pretty. He said he gives it brunch vibes. I like the tie. My earrings fell off. So he said he gives it brunch vibes, and I give it the same. Like I said, I wouldn't wear it at home unless I was like shooting for a campaign or like shooting some type of content or whatever. But this is a really cute outfit. And again, this is a large, and it is the scrunched up tie front solid bodycon dress in lime green. So let's go ahead and get into outfit number 4. Alright y'all, so this is outfit number 4 from Shein. It's not really an outfit because the joggers are from Forever 21, but I did get this shirt from Shein with the word California on it. Cali, okay, from the west coast to the best coast. You guys know we just moved to Houston, but we're from California. And this shirt is called the letter graphic drawstring because it has this little drawstring detail on the side. Side crop top. In the color khaki. It's a large, and it was $6.93. Come on, somebody, with the good prices. So let me give you guys a close-up of the letters. Cali, and then this is the detail on both sides. So what do you give this one, babe? It's a 10 because it's Cali? But what about the detail in the shirt? It's like,
Yeah, I like it. That drawstring, that's new.
yeah. Kind of old, but for me, it's not anything that I've ever had before. Is that what you mean by new?
Well, I've never seen that on the shirt before.
Yeah, it's kind of old. They had this around when I was like young.
Oh.
Yeah, but I don't own anything like this, so this is new in my closet. But let me know what you guys think below. Like I said, it's a large. It is the letter graphic drawstring side crop T-shirt, and it is $6.93. So you cannot beat that. Go ahead and get into it. Now let's get into change number
5.
5. Let's go. Alright, y'all, for change number 5, like we just said, we moved from Cali to H-Town, so I had to get me this cute little Houston shirt. It is like a little dry fit type feel to it, but this is the letter graphic drop shoulder tee in white. It's a size small because as you guys can see, it's kind of big. Like I wanted it to be a relaxed fitting shirt, and it was $9.53. So let me give you guys a close up in the details of the shoulders. Like I said, and you can do like a lot of different things with it. Like you can tie it, you know, like this and like a little knot. You can tie it to the side, or you can just wear it simple. So, babe, what do you rate this one?
Give that one a 10 too, because we in the H-Town.
Yeah. And it feels really
It
comfortable.
looks like it does look comfortable.
It feels really comfortable. I would give it a 10 just for the material.
Right.
But yeah, I like the detail in like the white little specks.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys could really tell. You guys see it? But yeah, repping the H, moved from Cali to the H. I love the shirt. Kahari, what do you think? You like it? Okay, thank you. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into change number 6.
Number 6.
All right, guys, so this is change number 6. I am really digging the shirt, obviously, because melanin, period, okay? It is called the Striped and Lettered Graphic Tee. This is a large, and it is $7.79. Not really as loose as the last one, not as tight as the California one, just a regular fitting t-shirt. What do you rate this one, babe?
Basic. Yeah, it's pretty simple. You know, it's not exciting.
It's not exciting.
It's simple.
Melanin, how can it not be exciting?
I think down 8.
An 8. Let me know in the comments.
I do like the color green though.
Yeah, I could have chosen a couple of different colors. Just to let you guys know, this one is the mint green, but you can choose this one in a khaki or something like that. But yeah, this is the size 810, which is their large. And yeah, babe says he gives it an 8. So let me know in the comments what you guys give this melanin shirt. And let's move on to change number 7. Alright guys, so this is change number 7, another shirt. I probably would not wear this one around the house at all. This is more of like a date night look.
Yeah.
I wanted to put the tights with it to give you guys a full look. But this is called the Geoprint Lettuce Trim Top. And it says wear it without bra, but I just want for you guys to see. I do have on a black bra under. You can also wear a nude bra if you want to, but this is a large, and it was $5.20. Come on.
Shein got the prices.
Shein got the prices, okay? And this is not a sponsored video, by the way. I forgot to say that in the beginning. So, what do you rate this shirt, babe? It's like a little turtleneck type feel. It said no bra, I'm thinking, because I don't know, but I do have a bra. Yeah, it is see-through. And unless you have those boobs where they just, you know, sit all the way up on the top of your chest and you can just wear pasties. But it doesn't look bad with the bras. I don't know why they would say that, but what do you give this in?
I like that. Very geometric.
Geometric, yeah, it is the Geoprint. I don't know why they call it lettuce, but feel it.
Right.
You're like pulling on it. Did you feel this part?
Yeah, I feel that.
Like a little felt,
Yeah.
the little felt part. But yeah, so rate it in the comments. What did you give this?
I give that a 9.
You give this a 9. So babe gives this a 9.
Cute triangle.
I really like this, but again, I would not wear this at home. So again, this is the Geoprint. A club outfit or like dinner. But this is the large, and it was $5.20. So let's get into change number 8. Alright guys, so this is outfit number 8. It's called the crisscross tie back top and track shorts set. It does have pockets. I believe it comes in a couple other colors as well, but this is called Cadet Blue, and it's a large, and it is $12.99. This is a lot, I guess, to be like a stay-at-home outfit, but it's still really simple to just stay at home. I mean, if you're going to the beach,
Not too simple.
it's still simple, but that's why I said it's a lot for like just an at-home outfit. Somebody would need to see me in this. Like, I would not just want to stay at home in this outfit. This is really cute.
A brunch outfit too.
Yeah, a brunch outfit. Let me give you guys an up close
Beach outfit too.
on like the details. It's kind of like scrunched up right here.
I like it though.
And then you can make it however tight or loose you want to with the strings. Your girl needs to lose like 5 more pounds, you guys, 10 more pounds, so I can be more comfortable in this outfit. But I like it. It's
I like
cute.
it a lot.
What do you give it? What do you rate it?
I give that one a 10. Like the color.
A 10? Yeah, I really like the color. That's why I chose it. What does it remind you of? You said brunch?
Yeah.
A brunch fit?
Different.
Yeah, so this is really cute. Again, this is called the crisscross tie back crop top and track short set in Cadet Blue, and this is the large, and it is $12.99. And babe says it's a brunch outfit. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. Let's go ahead and get into outfit number 9. Alright guys, so this is outfit number 10. I am really feeling this. This is definitely not just an out-home outfit. This is more of like a vacation type outfit.
Beach type of vibe.
Yes, like beach vibes, just vacation vibes in general. This is called the Sexy Off-Shoulder Drawstring Runched Front Crop Top and Paper Bag Waist Pants Set. It is lime green, it's a size large, 810, and it's $19.05. So this is the full look, the back, the shoulders out, the little runched top, the paper bag pants as they would call it, and then give you guys the details on the runched up here, the sleeves. I really like this.
I got a lot too.
Babe, take me on vacation. Like I need to go somewhere in this outfit. This is really cute. What do you rate this?
Yeah, 10. I like that one a lot.
A 10?
Yeah.
I think they have more colors in this outfit. So that means we need to go somewhere.
We do, for sure.
We need to go somewhere. Maybe he'll take me somewhere soon. We do have a vacation coming up next year though, but who knows? Maybe we might hit somewhere, go out somewhere fancy for my birthday or something like that coming up. Shout out to all the Leos. Okay, it's gonna be Leo season. I'm gonna be 29 this year. I can't believe it. Okay, you guys, outfit number 11. Let's go. All right, you guys, so this is outfit number 10. It's this really cute bodycon dress. It has this little split right here. And it is called the Sexy High Split Tie-Dye Tube Dress. Multicolor. I think there were 2 other colors that you can choose from. This is a large and it was $10.39. So this is definitely more of a at home, just chill, relax type of outfit, but you can also go out in this as well. It feels really good and I love the material. Yeah, it's really like silky. So babe, what do you give this dress?
Yeah, I like the design of the tie-dye.
Yeah. It makes me feel like a snake, you know?
Yeah.
Like it has like snake vibes. I don't know, look at the pattern, you guys. Look at the pattern. It gives me like snake vibes, reptile vibes. Yeah, so babe gives this a 10. Let me know what you guys think about the dress in the comments. I love how high the split is because I'm all about like thigh type dresses, especially because I have that tattoo. What'd you say?
Box of color crayons.
A box of color crowns. I am colorful, taste the rainbow. But yeah, this is gonna be the end of this video, you guys. I hope you guys really like these looks. I hope you really like these outfits.
Good outfits. I like those outfits. They're really vibrant.
Let me know in the comments what you guys think about these outfits and if these are looks that you can see yourself wearing, or if you would want to see me do another Shein haul like this.
Pretty good vibes.
Thank you, babe. But if you guys haven't done this yet, make sure you go subscribe, go turn on the notifications, and give this video a big thumbs up. Until next time, Che Gang.
Peace.